Ever wondered what it's like to be the hero of your own fast-paced movie? Picture this. You're cruising down the highway, feeling like Vin Diesel in the Fast and Furious franchise. Your car's gear shifts are smooth and precise, as if you're a secret agent dodging bullets in a James Bond film. But suddenly, a rogue shift solenoid emerges, playing the role of the mischievous Joker, disrupting the harmony of your gearbox symphony. Fear not, fellow road warriors. Join us on a thrilling mission to restore balance and leave those pesky solenoids in the rearview mirror. Get ready to drive like a boss and reclaim your vehicular universe. Greetings, gearshift aficionados and automotive virtuosos. In the ever-evolving orchestra of modern transportation, the precise and rhythmic art of shifting gears has become a symphony of engineering marvels. However, hidden among the gears lies a mischievous culprit, ready to disrupt the harmonious performance of your mechanical masterpiece. Today, in Car Computer Exchange, we dive deep into the captivating world of shift solenoids and unlock the mysteries behind their failure. Join us on this melodious quest as we uncover the top 8 signs that reveal a bad shift solenoid's treacherous tune. Get ready to conduct the symphony of your car's gears like a virtuoso maestro, and let the performance begin. Check engine light. The notorious check engine light. That little glowing beacon of mystery that always seems to pop up at the most inconvenient times. But fear not, for when it comes to a bad shift solenoid, this blinky warning is actually your automotive guardian angel, trying to catch your attention and say, hey, something's not quite right in the shifting department. Think of the check engine light as your car's way of tapping you on the shoulder and whispering, "Psst, it's time to pay attention." When the shift solenoid goes haywire, it sends signals to the car's computer, triggering this illuminating reminder. So, the next time your check engine light makes an appearance, don't ignore it like a long-lost cousin's Facebook friend request. Embrace it as an invitation to embark on a shifting adventure. Transmission warning light. If the check engine light is the Batman of warning lights, then the transmission warning light is its trusty sidekick, Robin. When it comes to a bad shift solenoid, these two are a dynamic duo that won't let you down. While the check engine light serves as a general distress signal, the transmission warning light hones in specifically on your gearbox's well-being. When this light flickers to life, it's like your car's way of saying, "Houston, we have a transmission problem." It's an unmistakable sign that your shift solenoid is feeling under the weather and needs some tender love and automotive care. So, don't dismiss this sidekick's cry for help. Take action and let your car know that you've got its back. Untimely gear shifting. Picture this. You're cruising down the road, grooving to your favorite tunes, when suddenly, your car decides to throw a curveball. The gear starts dancing to a different beat, shifting up and down with a mind of their own. It's like your car has taken up interpretive dance, and you're left scratching your head, wondering why it's trying to audition for dancing with the gearboxes. When a bad shift solenoid is in play, your car's gears may decide to go rogue, shifting at seemingly random moments. It's like they've developed a rebellious streak, refusing to cooperate with your intentions. This untimely gear shifting can be quite the spectacle, but trust me, it's not a performance you want your car to master. So when your gears start busting out moves that even a seasoned ballroom dancer would find impressive, it's time to adjust the issue and bring them back into the choreographed routine they were born to follow. Skipping gears. Smooth gear transitions are like the symphony of your car's mechanical movements, creating a melodious harmony as you accelerate and decelerate. But when a bad shift solenoid enters the scene, it's like a rogue conductor interrupting the orchestra and causing the musicians to skip notes left and right. Skipping gears can be quite a jarring experience. One moment you're gliding smoothly from one gear to the next, and the next moment you're hurtling through the gears like a skipping stone on a pond. It's a disorienting sensation, leaving you wondering if you've suddenly acquired supernatural powers to teleport through gears. But alas, it's just your misbehaving shift solenoid playing tricks on you. This skipping gear phenomenon can be as frustrating as trying to follow a recipe with missing ingredients. It disrupts the balance and efficiency of your driving experience. And let's face it, it's not a party trick you want your car to perform. So, If you find yourself on a gear-skipping roller coaster, buckle up and prepare to diagnose that bad shift solenoid so your car's gears can get back into sync and serenade you with their smooth symphony once again. Alright, my automotive sleuths, it's time for a mid-video check-in. So tell me, have you been taking notes and honing your detective skills on the trail of the bad shift solenoid? Are you ready to crack the case and put those gears back in their harmonious groove? Remember, in this automotive mystery, witty hunches and sharp observations are your most reliable tools. Now, grab your magnifying glass and let's dive back into the action to uncover more clues on this exhilarating journey of diagnosing a mischievous shift solenoid. Ready? Let's hit the road again, my fellow automotive gumshoes. Difficulty in engaging gears. The sweet satisfaction of effortlessly gliding into the perfect gear, like slipping into a well-tailored suit. But when a bad shift solenoid lurks beneath the surface, this seamless transition becomes a stubborn battle. You might find yourself wrestling with the gear shift as if it has suddenly developed a mind of its own. It's like trying to fit into your favorite pair of jeans after one too many slices of pizza. This sign of a misbehaving shift solenoid demands attention, as it could indicate a disruption in the delicate dance between your transmission and the solenoid, leaving you feeling like a hapless dancer with two left feet. Delayed upshifting and downshifting. In the world of gears and transmissions, timing is everything. But when a bad shift solenoid takes the stage, it can throw off the entire tempo of your driving experience. Picture this. You're eagerly accelerating, ready to conquer the road. But your car seems to have fallen under a spell of hesitation. The upshifts are delayed, as if your vehicle is contemplating the meaning of life before deciding to change gears. And when it finally does, the downshift takes their sweet time too, leaving you yearning for the responsive agility you once knew. This delayed symphony of shifting is a telltale sign that your shift solenoid might be slacking off on its job, causing the gears to perform a sluggish ballet routine. Stuck in neutral gear. Imagine driving down the street, feeling like a master of your domain, until you reach for the gear shift and find it locked in neutral, stubbornly refusing to budge. It's like being trapped in a revolving door, going round and round without any forward progress. When a shift solenoid misbehaves, it can leave you feeling stranded in an automotive limbo. Your vehicle refuses to engage any gear, leaving you helplessly marooned in the neutral zone. This not only hampers your ability to move forward, literally and metaphorically, but it also serves as a glaring red flag that your shift solenoid might need a swift kick into the gear repair land. Transmission noises. A well-oiled machine's harmonious purr is like music to a car enthusiast. A cacophony of discordant notes, however, enters the stage when a bad shift solenoid does. You might start hearing unusual sounds emanating from your transmission, like an offbeat drum solo or a symphony gone awry. Rattles, clunks, whines, and grinding noises become an unwelcome part of your daily driving symphony. These auditory disturbances are a clear indication that your shift solenoid is causing mischief within the transmission's intricate mechanisms. So, when your car starts making sounds that rival a garage band's first rehearsal, it's time to investigate the role of the shift solenoid and silence its disruptive performance. Remember, dear drivers, that these signs and symptoms of a bad shift solenoid are not to be taken lightly. Just like a quirky character in a comedy movie, a misbehaving shift solenoid can inject unexpected twists and turns into your driving narrative. But fear not. Armed with this knowledge, you can now decode the secret language of your vehicle shifting behavior and restore the smooth and harmonious symphony of gears. So, keep your ears tuned and your senses alert, and embark on this mechanical adventure with the confidence of a witty detective solving the enigma of the bad shift solenoid. Your gears will thank you for it. And there you have it, my fellow road warriors and automotive detectives. We've journeyed through the wild world of bad shift solenoids, unraveling their sneaky secrets one gear at a time. Remember, the next time your car starts behaving like a rebellious teenager, you'll be armed with the knowledge to diagnose the culprit with the finesse of a seasoned detective. So go forth with confidence, knowing that you can shift gears like a pro and conquer the roads with unrivaled finesse. May your gear changes be as smooth as butter, your transmissions purr like contented kittens, and your driving adventures be filled with excitement rather than shifting surprises. Until we meet again here in Car Computer Exchange, keep those gears shifting, my friends, and always remember to enjoy the journey. Stay witty, stay curious, and keep the road calling your name.